Day 14 on the 13.5 by 6 metre log cabin build in Market Raisin, Lincoln. Milestone day today, 2 whole weeks on this project. Not sure why it's took so long, to be honest. It's probably the filming, definitely the filming. Anyway, we don't have to wait for the roof to thaw out today because, well, we've got batten on yesterday, which means we've got a free ladder. It's a lot safer than just walking on icy membrane or insulation or rafters for that matter. Very cold today. Connor's got a fire on. He's just made a cup of tea. It was a freezing journey all the way here this morning because, well, the heater's packed up. We've got no heat, it doesn't even blow out cold air. So we both turned up here looking like snowmen. We're going to leave here today, probably as snowmen. So yeah, cup of tea, warm up, jump up there, start getting some steel sheets on and finish the rest of the batten. That's the plan for today. Get on with it. Almost there. Membraned, battened, tape joints, trimmed, cleared, roof's empty. We're ready. We are ready for them steel sheets. And I was going to do one side, then do the other, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to do a sheet on one side, a sheet on the other side, right next to it, and just work myself along in pairs, all the way along there, so that I don't stand on any of the sheets. I'm probably still going to stand on one of the sheets, but the idea is not to dent them. So if I can make it through today without denting a sheet, I'll be a happy man. About to have a well-deserved cup of tea, and then forklift, steel sheets up there, locate the fixings. I've seen them somewhere, I know they exist, they're in a box. Find them, have tea, steel sheets up, continue the roof. Let's get it there, let's get it finished where we need to be. Tomorrow, finishing day, 100%. No doubt about it. I'll stay here till 10 o'clock at night. This is being done tomorrow. There's nothing left to do inside other than one door. One door, half an hour job. Get that finished, gable boards on, tea, steel sheets, fixings, continue. As you can see, in the absence of the big yellow lamp in the sky, it is now dark. It is, let's put my Apple Watch on today. I think it's about 6 o'clock. It's about 6 o'clock. We've got where I wanted to get. I wanted to get halfway. We're halfway minus the cut at the end, but I'm not going to rig a grinder up at this time of night. It's dark. I'd rather do it tomorrow when it's daylight. There's more than enough hours in the day tomorrow to get that done, get the backside done, ridge cap on, gable boards, verge trim, roof finished, last door in, any tidying up and little snags to do, we're going to get them done tomorrow, and we're going to hammer this home because I want to move on from this project now. It's been going for ages. I have enjoyed it, and I hope you have too. Connor's put the forklift away. He's currently sat in the van with a cup of tea he's made for me for the way home. I always have a cup of tea for the way home. We're going to get everything locked up, get site wrapped up, and then head home. I've had the hairdryer going in the van to warm the van up because we've still got no heating. But at least it'll be warm for the first half an hour or until Connor opens the window. Who knows? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, let YouTube know that you enjoyed the content, and it will show you more of it. Don't forget to subscribe, switch your notifications on, set your preferences to all, as always, and then you'll be notified when I post a new video about this. If there's anything you'd like to know about the buildings, insulation, roof coverings, how long they take to build, what's right for your garden, what sort of base you should go for. If it's not something I don't know, it's probably not worth knowing about these. So chuck your questions in the comments, I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you guys in part 15 tomorrow. Goodbye.